Sometimes I just really wonder, why is my cat the way she is?
Chef, hätte ich das gestern geschafft? Mit den 5 Minuten ohne Bewusstsein.
Feel if you were fed 1 minute late.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.
Here, baby. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Boy, still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
นี่ไงไอตัวนี้ไงที่เขาบอกว่ามันดื้ออะที่เขาบอกว่ามันหน้ามึนอะดูสิดูทำหน้าสิดู
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Chai, when I say hey, you say hey. Hey!
Are you hungry?
If you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured I would try it.
Yo, what are you doing? Hey.
Why are you on the candles? Are they your candles now?
I'd be one.
You're what?
Lion.
Oh, you want to be a lion?
She is a killer.
How was your nap? Ooh. Was it good? Wow.
Hello? What? What? What the? Did you just talk, buddy?
Not like the fact that we're all home quarantined. She's like, why are you in my house? Sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay.
This morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten.
You want food? Food later, Billy. Okay? It's not time for food. Food.
Copy. Stille.
Quand je regarde comme ça, on me voit. Si je regarde comme ça, on me voit plus. On me voit on me voit plus. On me voit, on me voit plus. On me voit plus.
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face. Look at me. I get away with everything. I get whatever I want. Oh no. I will not use this power for good.
I don't have no friends because I like to be in the bed. I'm for the sheets, not the streets. You just wouldn't understand, like, oh, their little face, and their whiskers, and their little colours on their fur, and their tails, and their paws, and their little cat beans.
Oh! 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 Dirk! Dirk!
If I came to visit you, would you pet me? Rida, porque nadie quiere jugar conmigo.
No deslices este TikTok, por favor. Se han ido todos. Ah, no. Tú sigues aquí. ¿Quieres ser nuestro amigo?
Show me your cat as a kitten versus now.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Yo soy solo un gato. No entiendo qué es el odio, pero muchos dicen que me odian. No entiendo qué es la maldad. You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this.
Молчит, выказывает уважение. Да, Джонни. Джонни.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Stinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Pug.
And stretch their arms out. Stretch their arms out. They freaking.
Gizmo, let's try and do the trend. Yay! Oh my gosh. Come on, let's do the trend. Let's do the trend, Gizmo. Let's do the trend. Let's do the trend.
Here comes the bull.
Busy time at the house lately. Fun business. Meantime, I'm running this side business we started.
What's wrong? You're confused? Something feel weird? You need me to fix it? Okay, I got you. Oh, I don't got you. No. There you go. That feel better?
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas.
At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible. Don't. No. Get up from the bed. I don't want.
Indoor cat versus outdoor cat.
I am born a cat. I identify as a cat. But according to my mom,
Sorry. You ain't getting any. No matter how cute you are. You can't have it because it's seasoned with things you can't eat. Sorry. Love you though.
came to visit you. Would you pet me?
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
What's he doing? Were you taking a nap? Huh? You took a boy? Ooh.
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
Retaliation. It goes back to the summit a couple of months ago. Look.
What the fuck just happened?
Here's the Jordan Valley. Alright, hold on. Let me get easier.
Joy!
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited? In there.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
What did you do? Vesper, why did you do that?
Okay, you just had dinner.
What do you think? Yeah? What do you think?
Sit. Give me some love. Good boy. Stand. Good boy. Nice to meet you. Good.
Hi, Jagger. You're so handsome. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you good looking? Yeah. You're good looking, baby, huh? Hi, Joshies.
Of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured I would try it, and it worked. Do wet this if it works with your cat too.